Okay, while I was playing with this, remember I was trying to get rid of the Euro Swiss chart and it wouldn't let go. So I'm updating it to the video. Let's close all these. Okay, I'm deleting all the charts. Now if you go and say hide all, it will hide most of them except two symbols, which I don't know why does that. But let me go back in there and symbols, Euro USD, edit, show, Euro Japan, show. Okay, and then pound Japan, show. Okay, USD Canada, show. And USD Swissy, show. There you go. So those are my charts. I just have to go click in there. New order, chart window, chart window, chart window, chart window, chart window. Chart window. Okay. So now basically that was the thing, that's the way I learned the software. If I can't understand understand something, I keep playing with it till I understand it. So thank you.